Alright, that's how we have the partridge. Yeah. And that's how we have a diamond of them. Saffron finch hatch out 2 pitney. Yeah, we have the diamond of cross with the ground up. Yeah man, we have a portion of the diamond them, you know. Yeah man. Over here so we have more diamond dove, more diamond dove, more diamond dove. More diamond dove, you know. More diamond dove, brother. More diamond dove. Diamond dove, enough up in high place. We have diamond dove in a heavy style, brother, heavy style. Heavy style, heavy style, heavy style. So the blue and white. Yes, over here so we have blue and white mixed with grey. Blue and white and grey again. Over here so we have the grey. Yes. Every style, see me. And that's how we have the ring neck parrot them, you know. Over here so we have the mountain witch them. Yeah man, the mountain witch them. Over here so you see me. Down here so we have the lapwing them, otherwise known as mourning dove, with a partridge, same with a white wing. Yeah man. Have them man. Have them bad chap, we have them.